tough. Let me clean up the clean. This, you know, hold it here. I'm getting it here, and then I have to like use my hips to hump it up. Boom. Which I'd rather have it here, then I can just stand and roll it up. It's not strong enough yet. So last week, you guys watched me play with this sucker for the first time, and I was reading some of the comments. A lot of you guys are confused about a number of things. Number one, how am I doing an alternating grip at the bottom, but then I have a neutral or normal grip at the top, right? And so the way that's typically done, and someone else also asked, Elliot, why aren't you doing a continental? The way that's typically done with a 2-inch axle, at least I've seen it done, and I've never been good at it, is you get here, rest it on you, flip your hands over, and then go up. Right? So if you see somebody using an axle, they have an alternating grip, they'll go like this. But that I've never been good at that. So I have some speed. So what I have been doing, if you go back to that last video, last week, you'll notice if you slow down the video a little bit, well, if you watch my left hand, what I'm basically doing is I'm getting here, whoo, boom. See what I just did there? Watch my left hand. I get here, boom. I just flip my hand. So I get here, and I just switch it around. Will I be able to do that with 275 pounds? I don't know. Boom. That's basically what I've been doing. So that's it for today. Gotta say, probably my most lackluster workout to this date since doing this vlog. Maybe I'm beating myself up because I was unable to supersede my max on the log. I mean, I hit what I hit before, but 20-pound jump, I thought I could do it. Ended up not doing it. Busting myself up a little bit on the way, but I'm taking note. Yesterday's workout might have been one of my best. I spent a lot of time doing power. I did that sandbag throw. Then I did more power with the chains on the deadlift and farmers. So I think I'm still a little burnt out, not fully recovered from yesterday's workout. So I'm giving myself that grace. But hey, it's always a step forward, step forward, step forward. Maybe a step back. And I'll accept that. But we're still on the same journey, heading for the destination. Glad to have you here with me. Until next time, done.